Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you how to make different recipes I've learned to make throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy, some healthy, some not so healthy, but step by step on how to do it. If you haven't already seen the thumbnail, today we're going to be making some stuffed mushrooms. And I know my family's going to be watching this and they know that I do not like mushrooms. I've never liked them, don't like the flavor, don't like the texture. However, my wife likes them, the CEO and owner of Midlife Crisis Spices. Check out our website. She likes them, so I'm gonna make them for her. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. The ingredients that we're gonna have for today are obviously some mushrooms, an egg that owes you a lot of money, some minced garlic, several different kinds of cheeses. We're gonna be doing some parmesan romano, along with some mozzerella, some breadcrumbs, some butter, some finely chopped parsley and basil, and last but not least, some minced clams. So let's start combining some stuff and toss it in the oven. Gonna start by doing a quick rinse on our mushrooms to get rid of whatever dirt might still be on here. Afterwards, gonna go ahead and remove these stems. If you can, maybe just pull them out. How about that? That came out real easy. Do that, and these ones with the long stem should be pretty easy to do, so not difficult. Go ahead and put them in your cooking tray. If everybody's got the short stem, go ahead and use your knife and just dig it out. Super simple. Do this for all the mushrooms that you're going to be cooking. Now we're going to go ahead and start combining all the ingredients. First thing, let's go ahead and add some little bit of minced garlic, not too much. Then we're going to go ahead and take our clams. When you open these, you're going to want to drain out the liquid and set the liquid to the side because we're going to add some of that too. So, add the clams. Then we're going to add some melted butter. After that, go ahead and add some of our chopped up basil and parsley. Had a brain fart there. Mix it all up. No, it's not that much to mix up right now. Go ahead and add in your beaten egg. I said it was an egg that owed you money, so. Then go ahead and add in your breadcrumbs. Followed by your different cheeses, some of your parmesan romano, along with some of the mozzarella. Mix everything up real good. Oh, almost forgot. Don't forget your clam oil, or your clam juice. After you get everything all mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and start adding some of this stuff to the mushrooms. Okay, so go ahead and just take a little bit at a time and add it to the inside of each mushroom. Make a little heaping if you're able to. Just make sure you have enough stuffing to go around. Okay, now that we've got all these mushrooms stuffed, we're going to go ahead and drizzle about a 1/4 cup of melted butter on top of these. And we're going to cover this and put it in the oven. Going to go ahead and drench it over and put her in the oven for 40 minutes. Our 40-minute timer has gone off, so let's go ahead and cool these out. We're going to top them off with some more mozzarella and then put them back in the oven just long enough for the mozzarella to melt. That did not take long for the cheese to melt, so here is the finished result. Let's let these cool off for a few minutes and we'll do a taste test. Now that the mushrooms have had a chance to cool off, we're going to go ahead and bring in a expert taste tester. The CEO, I should say, the owner and CEO of Midlife Crisis Spices, my beautiful wife, Lindsay.
Thank you. Thanks for cooking tonight. You're always such a great chef in the kitchen. Oh my, this looks really good. Mmm. Well, as a spice person myself, I could say whatever he put in this mushroom certainly gets my thumbs up approval.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check me out on the next episode of Big Jim's Kitchen. And I'll see you next time.